So Friday, January 10th, I'm done work for today, and these guys are painting in here. Look at this, how shiny and nice. Looks like they installed some insulation on the side there, taped a bunch of stuff off, got that all painted. I know Peter was doing the front here yesterday. Nothing right here because the Bombardier sold. And Dad's got a fan visit here, and they're going through some Bombardier parts. And we'll check in and see what this guy's story is here. And but yeah, the Bombardier is gone. They've been busy here all day doing this. And we'll check in with Larry here. So Larry, what happened yesterday? Did you go home and decide you wanted to buy another Bombardier?
Yeah.
What did you figure?
Try it again.
Yeah, I figured you couldn't let anybody else have it, eh?
That's right.
Yeah, so Larry's the proud new owner of the 1979 that was being painted in that spot. He hummed and hawed, and I told him, I said, well, take the night and sleep it. And he woke up first thing this morning, got himself a check so that, like I told everybody, it's going to go to the first guy that buys it. And Larry said, no, I'm not going to let anybody even have a chance. Fuck them all, eh? So it's off to its forever home in Saskatchewan. We're going to park it here. In the meantime, what did you help out with these guys with today?
Oh, we found a new invention.
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
Okay.
Put some rubber caps on top of them things there.
Yeah.
Plastic caps to keep the snow out.
Yeah. Okay, so that's what these guys did here. It looks like, yeah, plastic caps.
Yeah.
So, what do you think of the restoration process here so far?
Looking good, really good.
Yeah. Okay.
Looking good.
Well, maybe you can buy this one off of Peter when it's done. No, or you're full up on Bombardiers.
Yeah, I'm good for this year.
And Larry's probably bringing one of his Bombardiers from Saskatchewan
Yeah.
to. He's going to bring one of his Bombardiers from Saskatchewan to
Get it restored.
get it restored back here in the spring. Coop is busy wiping everything down here. He's been busy all day. And we're going to check in with Dad and find out what's going on. So the guy that was just in here, he came and went. He had to go and pick up a J5 tire that he left at the auto body show. This is a spare Bombardier tire he has. It's got a screwed up race in there. So Dad is fixing it for him. But we want to go and eat supper, so I hope this guy comes back here right away. But Peter's busy doing the painting, and Coop is wiping everything down. And I don't know if you guys noticed in the last couple of videos, but we're short Daisy. And Daisy on New Year's Day decided to go murder some sheep, so we had to put her down. The dogs have been pretty sad in the meantime looking for Daisy, but it's kind of sad for the last couple of days. But Daisy's gone, guys, so it's the end of Daisy Puckatawagan Garbage Dog. Still got Emily, still got Charles in charge, Nina Pinta Santa Maria, and of course the shop cat there who's standing on his perch. And then we also have Schooner Shop Dog, who's outside here. So what's going on for tomorrow?
Well, we're gonna measure and put a carpet in the back here.
Yeah.
And then on Saturday, we're gonna pull this out, turn it around.
Yeah.
And Coop and the other young fella are going to be putting tracks on
Yeah.
and sticking the motor in.
Yeah.
Peter will do the supervising,
Yeah.
and I'll do the swearing.
Oh,
And
good.
we're away.
Good. Okay, so everybody's got their job detail. What do you think of that job there, Coop? Are you happy with that?
So you write down your time for Peter, keep track of it.
Yeah. So that's good. Peter supervising, Dad swearing. That's the way it's got to be. Larry, what are you going to be doing? You going to superintending? Oh, you're going home. Oh, jeez. Okay. So enough bosses here now. Yeah. So they're going to have this moved around and that engine and transmission installed pretty quick. So stay tuned, guys. Where's Dad? Hey, where's Dad? Oh, you can just stare at the door until he comes home, eh?